Hi everyone, and welcome to PassYourClass Dante's DSST Test Prep. I'm thrilled to walk you through some genuine introduction to Business DSST exam practice questions today. PassYourClass has been the preferred resource for students seeking college credit through Dante's testing for more than a decade, and we're excited to share our consistent 98% success rate among students who use our comprehensive study materials. In today's session, we'll examine challenging business questions covering conflict resolution methods, operational performance standards, and organizational structure theories. These fundamental concepts provide the foundation for understanding how modern businesses operate and organize themselves. Let's jump into our business fundamentals exploration. Which of the following is a person who is present to facilitate discussion between groups, leading to a resolution of a problem? A. Mediator. B. Negotiator. C. Arbitrator. D. Lawyer. The correct answer is A. Mediator. A mediator serves as a neutral third party who facilitates communication and discussion between conflicting groups or individuals to help them reach a mutually acceptable resolution. Unlike arbitrators who make binding decisions or negotiators who advocate for specific parties, mediators focus on creating an environment where all parties can express their concerns, understand different perspectives, and work collaboratively toward solutions. The mediation process involves structured meetings where the mediator guides discussions, helps clarify issues, and encourages creative problem-solving without imposing solutions. Mediators use various techniques including active listening, reframing statements to reduce hostility, identifying common interests, and helping parties generate options for resolution. This approach is particularly valuable in business settings because it preserves relationships, reduces costs compared to litigation, and often produces more sustainable agreements since all parties participate in creating the solution. Successful mediation requires skilled mediators who remain impartial, maintain confidentiality, and possess strong communication and conflict resolution skills. What standard is the following quantified standards at the operating level? Products produced in numbers, in value, material used in weightage and value, labor employed in-house and in value, services rendered in value, etc.? A. Physical standard. B. Capital standard. C. Revenue standard. D. Cost standard. The correct answer is A. Physical standard. Physical standards represent quantified, measurable criteria used to evaluate operational performance at the tactical level of business operations. These standards focus on tangible, observable metrics that can be directly counted, weighed, or measured, such as the number of units produced, quantity of materials consumed, hours of labor utilized, or volume of services delivered. Physical standards are essential for operational control because they provide concrete benchmarks against which actual performance can be compared. For example, a manufacturing company might establish physical standards for daily production targets, material usage efficiency, and labor productivity. These standards enable managers to identify performance variations quickly, investigate causes of deviations, and implement corrective actions. Physical standards differ from financial standards or quality standards by concentrating specifically on measurable quantities that directly reflect operational efficiency and resource utilization in the production or service delivery process. Which of the following is not one of Henry Mintzberg's classifications of organizations? A. Simple. B. Complex. C. Organic. D. Stable. The correct answer is C. Organic. Henry Mintzberg, a renowned management theorist, classified organizations along two primary dimensions, structure and environment. His framework creates four organizational types based on these combinations: simple stable, simple dynamic, complex stable, and complex dynamic. Organic is not part of Mintzberg's classification system, though it is a concept from other organizational theories, particularly Burns and Stocker's mechanistic organic model. Mintzberg's simple organizations have minimal hierarchy and specialization, while complex organizations feature extensive division of labor and multiple management levels. Stable environments are predictable with little change, whereas dynamic environments are characterized by rapid change and uncertainty. This classification helps managers understand how organizational structure should align with environmental conditions. For instance, simple, stable organizations work well for small businesses in unchanging industries, while complex, dynamic organizations suit large corporations in rapidly evolving markets. Understanding Mintzberg's framework enables business leaders to design appropriate organizational structures and management systems that match their specific operational context and environmental challenges. Wonderful work completing these Introduction to Business Dantes practice questions. You've just explored key business concepts that demonstrate how organizations manage conflicts, measure performance, and structure themselves for success. These questions offered just a taste of the broad business knowledge covered on the complete DSST examination. For comprehensive preparation encompassing all essential areas, including management principles, marketing fundamentals, accounting basics, finance concepts, operations management, business law, economics, and international business, PassYourClass provides thorough study guides filled with practice questions, business frameworks, and real-world applications to help you understand the interconnected nature of modern business operations. Go to PassYourClass.com today to secure your Introduction to Business Dantes DSST study materials and join our thriving student community with that impressive 98% pass rate. Thanks for diving into business fundamentals with us today, and we're excited to support your success on your Dantes examination.